You notice that your friend was panting and they seem tense, and therefore you suspect that they may be experiencing a panic attack. It can be a distressing experience for you, the person who's standing next to this friend, when you don't know what to do in order to help. I'm Hui. I'm a licensed professional counselor at Heart to Heart with Me in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In this channel, we make videos to share mental health tips about depression, anxiety, etc. And in this video, we are going to walk you through how to help a friend to ease a panic attack. First, you must stay calm. You being calm yourself is a great start to help your friend to ease a panic attack, and it also helps them to know that you are there for them. Then ask them if they are experiencing a panic attack. If they tell you, I don't know, call for help or take them to the nearest doctor. It could be other medical conditions that need medical attention. But if they tell you, yes, I'm experiencing a panic attack, do the following. If you have any mints, sweets, or chewing gums on you, offer it to them. Taking it will help to get the parasympathetic nervous system going. It will help them to feel calmer. Then ask them if they know what they need to do in order to feel better, and help them with it. If they don't know, let them know that you are there for them and that you are going to help them through it. Let's invite them to do a grounding exercise together. This will help to anchor their attention to the present moment and ease the panic attack. Ask them to name 5 things that they can see in front of them, and then 4 things that they can touch, and 3 noises or voices that they can hear, 2 things that they can smell, and 1 taste that is in the mouth. Give them some water and let them rest. Give them some space if they feel like sharing, but at the same time, let them know that it's okay if they don't want to share. Give them some support and assist them in seeking professional help to ease this condition. You have been a wonderful friend. Your friend is very lucky to have you by their side at this moment. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. It will help to spread these tips to people that might need this information. Comment down below if you have other tips on how to help a friend to ease a panic attack. If this topic interests you, watch this next video.